Hi YouTube, I just wanted to kind of go over something. Just a quick mod idea for the Beebeerun K200C Wi-Fi drone. The thing with this guy is it's got an MPV camera, which is underneath it. It can work with MPV, with goggles and all kinds of stuff. The problem I'm having with it is it didn't have an SD card to record. So all of your imaging would have to depend on your cell phone. So if you're capturing any photos or any video, it would capture on your cell phone. Well, the problem I was having was it wouldn't hold on my cell phone. Like my cell phone wouldn't hold on to the images. They were coming up corrupted. So, and from the video I did see, it wasn't very good. It wasn't very usable. So I kind of was thinking about sending this guy back until I saw the camera, and it seemed like it looked a lot like the SYMA X5C camera. And so I wondered, so I did a little research on the controller, and then I took my SYMA X5C right here, and as you can see underneath it, I removed the camera. Actually, it flies actually better without the camera, and it's actually a lot more nimble now without the camera, as a lot of other people have told me too. So as you can see though, there's no camera because that camera is now boom on the X5C. It's a very easy installation too. If you lift up the cover underneath it, you can see these two little screws right there, and that camera lines up perfectly with the Beebeerun drone. The other thing that's real nice is the controller actually is set up for it. So you'll notice right here, you'll see the little green, there's a little green light in there. If you press on the controller, these two buttons right here, one's for photo and one's for video. So you hear it, it's actually clicking. And as you can see in the camera, it is now recording. So now that camera is now recording. So, and it also lets you know it's recording because it's making that beeping sound. As you can see, you shut it off. Now if you want to take a photo, you simply click this button and it clicks. That lets you know it's taking a photo. Those photos are saved on the memory card, which is back here. Now, however, the one thing you will know is that you are going to lose the ability to go FPV on this. So you won't be able to go first-person view on this. However, there are models of this camera, of the SYMA X5C, that are FPV. I'm not sure if they work with the app or not, but they are fully FPV. So if you want to do an upgrade on this. But if you're just looking for a camera that is pretty functional, that you don't have, if you're not really looking forward to the FPV experience, and maybe if you're looking to upgrade the FPV experience on this drone, because it is a really durable drone. I mean, this thing can take a lot of punishment. I mean, I've crashed it. It's crashed in the trees already. As you can see, it's just, there's not even, the blades are a little scratched up, but I mean, I've had this for 2 solid weeks now, and like nothing's broken. None of the parts of the shell are broken. It can take a pounding. I did replace the front propellers with the green. Also, another note too, if you guys are looking, replacement blades for this are actually the same as the SYMA X5C. So these blades actually fit on here and vice versa. So they're very identical in a lot of parts. I mean, the controller won't work on this. I've tried that already. But if you are looking for an upgrade on the camera to be able to put something on there, this could be the way to go. These cameras are really cheap too if you're just looking for the camera. They're about $10 on eBay. I haven't seen them on Amazon. They're probably about the same price. But these cameras are easily, the FPV version, I think, is a little more. I think it's like $15 to $20. But, to put something on a really reliable drone that's not going to give you a lot of things, hey, there it is. I'm going to show you now the footage that this recorded a couple minutes, and thank you for watching. And if you like what you see here, please subscribe. Thank you.